All right, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you had a wonderful weekend. We got Freedom Day coming up this week, so the stock market is going to have a weird schedule. So I thought I would open up this week with a consumer video, but this time it's about trading. So I want to go over how TD Ameritrade is scamming all of you. Now, I will be honest, I actually really do like TD Ameritrade. Do I think they're really scamming you? No, but as we have documented in the past, if you gladly let them take advantage of stuff you are not aware of, like any brokerage, they will do the exact same thing. So the first example we brought up at the beginning of the year, if you ever go to see the cash rate offered at TD Ameritrade, this is for all of your money just sitting there. They will pay you 1/3% a year on any amount. Why is this so wild? Because right now interest rates are around 5% anywhere you look. So other brokerages like Fidelity, if you just have your cash sitting in there, they will give you the current interest rate. But like I'm saying, if you do not check with your brokerage and you are not aware of what they were offering you, if they could give you the bare minimum, they will. Right now, TD Ameritrade, 0.35 for a year. To give you context, right now you're getting 0.5 a month, and that's why we've used things here like Bill. So this is what I'm talking about. I have one more thing that a lot of people don't know about. It is how you are getting charged, and right now with the current interest rates, I think it's going to be an important one. So I have that for you. One more little TD Ameritrade tip, and then we're going to go over the little mini recap of what to expect this week. So Chad, let's get right into it. The main reason why I'm making this video is because this week is going to be a short week. So tomorrow we are actually going to be getting important data. If you don't remember, on Friday we had the PCE data and that came in surprisingly good. And also don't forget, we are about to start July, so the seasonality is in favor of the bulls. But tomorrow it's going to be a half day on the market, but surprisingly this ISM data, it will be surprisingly important. So not only do we get that, that's tomorrow for Monday. Tuesday is going to be closed, but then on Wednesday you're going to get the Fed minutes. That's another big event. And then on Friday we get the non-farm. So even though it's going to be this half day short week, all of these data sets will be important, and then it will be the beginning of July. So this is going to be the main event, and what I mean by that is that this is the last week of data. Then the next week after this week, we kick off earnings with the banks, and then everybody is only going to focus on the earnings all the way up until the CPI and then Powell. So sprinkle in a couple of Fed speakers this week and moving forward as we get into earnings. It should be pretty straightforward unless earnings is an absolute miss. So that's all I wanted to talk about. I hope I see you guys on stream tomorrow. Don't forget youtube.com/the stock market. We are live every day, and like a video or drop the like on this video. We do this every day too, but let's talk about the TD Ameritrade thing. So I already showed you here what they're paying you with cash. Well, the thing I want to talk about today and how to fix it is, what are you getting charged for your margin? And believe it or not, you may not be aware of it. You may be getting charged for your margin. So if you ever go to the TD Ameritrade website, it is right next to where they post the rates they give on cash. They also have information on their margin. If you weren't aware, as of May 5th, 2023, the current baseline for their rates are about 13%. Here it says the effective rate is about 14.5. The more money you borrow, it drops by a couple of percentage points. So this is the point I'm trying to tell you. If you are on TD Ameritrade and you do have a margin account enabled and you make trades on margin, right now you are being charged at least 14%, or I believe on average about 13%. So this is something everybody could do. The first thing you should be doing moving forward is going and checking right now how much you have paid in interest. So if you ever go up to your account, go hover over my account, then the transactions will come up. You click on that, it'll take you to this page. And if you ever just go to the type where it says all transactions, you click on that, and then you will see right there it says interest. Hit that, then press view, and then it will show you all of your results. So if you are on a cash account, like one of our accounts that we use for the long term, you should have no payments for anything interest related. That means your margin, you are not getting charged on it. However, if you do have margin enabled, even if it's a little, even if it's a long term, and you should especially check this out if you are on a trading account, you might be surprised to find out you do have margin charges or interest charges. So here, even on my small account there for the YouTube long term, we do have interest charges because we did a play with bonds. That's where that $20 shows. But as you see, if you even go like $50, $100 above, you may be charged a little bit, or sometimes you may even gain money, that 0.35%. But like we've talked about, you're better off going with Bill. Go check out the Bill video if you are confused. But moving forward, once you find out whether or not you are getting charged interest, how do we go about fixing this? Well, I'm going to assume that you are logged into TD Ameritrade or ThinkOrSwim. I was just showing you the website, but the best and easiest way is log into ThinkOrSwim, go up to the top right, you will see this little headset button. That is the live support. You click on that and it will take you to a window where you can open up a live chat. Now, today's the holiday. It's not letting me do that, but usually you put a support ticket and then it will open up a brand new chat with a live person, and all you need to type in that box is, hey, I'm wondering how much I'm getting charged right now for margin, or I saw that I was getting charged, and then ask if it is possible if they can lower it. Say you want to trade a lot of shares, they're going to go back and forth. Say whatever you want with it. You could say you're looking at other brokerages or Fidelity, who knows? It's all up to you. But usually if you are trading actively and you trade enough where I think it's like over 25 trades or like 50 trades in a quarter or month, they will usually give you a discount. So they're going to say, we're going to check with our margin desk and come back to you. Say that's fine. And then in a couple days, you will find out whether or not that you are getting your margin lowered. But simply one little question and reaching out, this could probably save you half of that interest payment. Or if you didn't know you were getting charged interest, this might be something you need to look into. So that's the first TD Ameritrade tip I have for you. But now the other one, this one's not related to saving money. However, it can help you separate your margin and non-margin accounts. And a lot of people ask me how I do this. So if you're not aware, you can have more than one TD Ameritrade account. That's how in this situation for my long term, I have one with margin and the other account does not have margin. Why is that? Because TD Ameritrade, they will allow you to make multiple accounts, but only one of them can have margin. So that's good and bad in this case, but like I'm saying, if you want to go about doing this, this is a very effective way to separate your long-term and trading accounts. And if you want to make sure one of them doesn't have margin, this works out perfectly. So if you want to link your TD Ameritrade accounts, how do you do it? You click that link account button, but now before you do all of that, you'll see right when you click that, it takes you here and it says, do you want to link the account or open a new account? To link any account to begin with, you have to make a brand new account. So before even doing this process, you want to go, or you could just click through here, then open a brand new TD Ameritrade account, make sure it is not on margin, and then you put all your same information. And then when you come back here the next time and press link account, it'll take you here. It'll say the possible accounts that you can link, or if you even come up here to like the manage links, it'll show you which accounts that you could send a request to, which ones you could access or not. Then once you go and connect all of them, connect all the emails, it'll send you a confirmation. Then you will be able to access both accounts all through one account, and then you will be able to separate margin and non-margin. So hopefully this helps. I got you your little consumer trading video. I know it's a little different than the other ones, but Chad, we got an exciting week ahead. We got a couple of biotech plays we're holding, but overall, it's a new month, a new half, and then we're getting into earnings, Chad. So I hope you're ready, but that's everything. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Stay hydrated, healthy. I don't know. I feel like I'm so professional today. I usually end these videos very, very weird, but that's it. I'm just happy America Day, baby. Oh, that was okay. Thank you. That ugly horn. I'm leaving. Goodbye.